From the bustling streets of Mumbai to a serene landscape of Odisha and Jharkhand, Tata Steel has been a cornerstone in crafting architectural marvels that blend tradition with modernity. Our journey is a testament to the strength, versatility and sustainability of steel, shaping the future while honoring the past. The 36 feet high charkha in Cross Maidan, Mumbai, crafted with Tata Structura steel hollow section, symbolizes self-reliance and the spirit of Mahatma Gandhi. Inspired by Odisha's heritage, Rath in Biju Patnaik Park, Bhubaneswar, integrates the strength and flexibility of Tata Structura steel hollow sections, honoring the state's rich cultural legacy. In Jamshedpur, the Jubilee Diamond sculpture at Doradji Tata Park, crafted from 45 tons of tubular steel sections, celebrates resilience and commitment to the future. The Agni structure in Jubilee Park, Jamshedpur, symbolizes the undying flame of innovation and progress, embodying Tata Steel's dedication to contemporary architectural marvels. Now, Tata Steel presents Billion Impressions Unique Identity in Steel, set up at Bhagwan Birsa Munda Smriti Park, dedicated to the people of Ranchi. Crafted with Tata Structura's YST 355 steel sections, Billion Impressions weighs approximately 16 tons and stands 12.5 meters tall, seamlessly blending into Ranchi's landscape. Billion Impressions is more than just a sculpture. It's a celebration of unity and diversity. The sculpture highlights the importance of being bound to and learning from our heritage as we progress towards a brighter tomorrow and aims to be timeless. Just as a fingerprint that once was a signature to its contemporary use in privacy technology, the monument pays tribute to the indelible mark made by those who have shaped our past, connecting with those who will shape our future. As we look to the future, Tata Steel continues to innovate and inspire, shaping monuments and sculptures that honor our heritage and illuminate the path to a sustainable future. Together, we build, we create, and we celebrate, because at Tata Steel, we also make tomorrow.